Welcome back students. Let's see the first solved examples. In previous video I have discussed the questions. Okay, now we will discuss the solution of that particular question. Your first question is how the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys in the class that we have to find. So here we have to find ratio of girls to boys. Here what is given? 60% of girls are given. And that 60% is equal to 18 is also given. Here we don't know the total number of students. So what we have to do? Let total number of students be x. Because we don't know the total number of students, that we consider that the total number of students be x. Out of that 60% of x are girls. This is also given in the question. And the number of girls are 18. This is also given. So what we can say? 60% of x are girls and number of girls are 18. So this equal to 18. So therefore 60% of x is equal to 18. This is our equation that we have to find. So here we want to find what is the value of x. Sorry. So this is 60%. If you replace 500 into x is equal to 18. So therefore x is equal to what? 18 multiplied by 100 divided by 60. 0 0 get cancelled. 6 3s are 18. So what is the answer? 30. So 30 is the total number of students. Okay, out of that 18 are girls. So what we can say? Total number of students are 30. So number of boys are 30 minus 18 is equal to 12. Now what is the question? We have to find the ratio of girls to boys. So ratio number of girls divided by number of boys. So what is the number of girls? 18. So 18 divided by number of boys are 12. This we can reduce. We know that this is divisible by 6 and 12 is also divisible by 6. So reduce it. So 18 divided by 6 and 12 divided by 6. So what is the answer? 3 by 2. So what is the ratio? 3 is to 2. So this is our answer. So this way we can solve the question first. That is the ratio of girls to boy. Next we move on to the second question. The cost per head if 2 teachers are also going with the class. Now see the second part of the questions. What you have to do here? To find cost per person. Now according to the question, what data are given? Let's see. The picnic site is 55 km away from the school and the transport company is charging at the rate of rupees 12 per kilometer. Means for 1 kilometer they charging 12 rupees. So for 55 kilometers how many rupees they can charge? And what is given? The total cost of refreshments is given, that is rupees 4,280. Now see how to solve this question. So first we have to find what is the cost of transportation, as the cost of refreshment is already given. So cost of transportation, so that is distance both the ways, to and fro, school to picnic site, that is 55 km, and picnic site to again school, that is again 55 km. So both the way we have to count the total number of kilometers. That's why we have to multiply 55 into 2. That represent the total kilometers, and this 12 represent the 12 rupees per 1 kilometer. So total rupees you can find by multiplying 55 into 2 into 12. So what is that is 4280 plus 1320 is equal to rupees 5600. This is the total expenses for all the persons. Now what is the question? We have to find the expense for the one person. So how will you find? For that we have to count the total number of persons, those who are going for the picnic, and it is mentioned that number of students plus 2 teachers are also going with this students. So number of students are total number of persons, that is 18 girls plus 12 boys plus 2 teachers. This gives you the total persons are 32. Okay, so for the 32 persons the total expense is rupees 5600. So for one person how much? This way you can find with the help of unitary method, or directly also you can count the amount spent for one person is equal to 5600 divided by 32, which is equal to rupees 175. So 175 rupees spent for the one person. So this way we can solve the second part of the question. Move on to the third part. See the third part of the question. The question is, if their first stop is at a place 22 km from the school, what percent of the total distance of 55 km is this, and what percent of the distance is left to be covered? So we have to find percentage for 22 km and the percentage for whatever the kilometers are left. So what we have to do? The distance of the place where first stop was made, that is 22 kilometers. So we want to find what is the percentage of this. So we know that 22 kilometers out of 55 kilometers. So we will find the percentage for this. So multiply by 100 divided by 100. So which is equal to 2200 divided by 55 percentage. So which is equal to, we know that 5 11s are 55, 2 11s are 22. So 200 divided by 5 percentage, so which is equal to 40 percentage. So this is 22 kilometers, that represent the 40% of the total traveling of 55 kilometers. Now what percent of kilometer is left? So total percentage is equal to, total percentage of picnic is equal to 100%. Out of that 40% is already covered. So left distance in percentage is equal to 100% minus 40%, which is equal to 60%. So 60% journey is remaining. That 60% is equal to what? 33 kilometers. That is 55 minus 22 kilometer, which is equal to 33 kilometer. So this 33 kilometer represents the 60% of the total journey. So this way we can solve the first question. All the three part of the questions I have explained. Thank you.